Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to clear all caches and junk from Windows 11 as well as Windows 10. So how to do this, let's get started. Before starting off the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, right click on start menu and go to your run. Open a run command and type first of all prefetch. Select a prefetch, click on open to continue, click yes to continue. These are all the junk files. Select one and press a control A, select all these files and right click, click on delete it. Now delete all these files. After that, close it. After doing this step, once gone, go to your start menu, right click, click on run, and after doing this step, type a temp. Select a temp and press OK button. Select all these files, right click, click on delete button and delete all these files. Close it. Once again, go to your right click, open a start menu, click on run, and after that type a percentage temp and percentage. After that, press OK. Select one, press Ctrl A and select all these files. Right click, click on delete button. So delete all these junk files and close it. After doing this step, right click, go to your run tab, and after doing this step, type a clean mgr and press OK button. Now select a drive. So in case is a by default selected a C drive because my window install in C drive. Press OK to continue. Select all these files. It's create automatically, not you. So press OK. Click delete files. So it's required of a few minutes to complete this process. After completing that, in the search box type a recycle bin, open recycle bin. Now in my cases folder is empty, so delete any junk files from recycle bin. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.